What's happening, YouTube? Charles and Chargers back with another video. And we are doing box number 2 of my Upper Deck Allure AEW. So box 1 was pretty decent. Nothing huge, but some nice cards out of there. I really like the look of the cards anyway, so I got this for my MVP buyback stuff at my LCS. Got a couple more boxes coming from DA from Black Friday, so let's get into it. Our packs. All right. Let's do it to it here. Looking for anything Omega and Jamie Hayter. Everything else is a bonus. That's my 2 main PC from AEW. All right, starting off with Nick Jackson, Nyla Rose, Keith Lee, Britt Baker on the red. Nice. Anna Jay Title Ambitions. Jake Hager, The Butcher, and Powerhouse Hobbs. I think Hobbs is awesome. Why that dude doesn't have a championship right now is beyond me. Maybe he should be the next guy to be orange for the international. All right, Ty Mello, Orange Cassidy, Pac, CM Punk on the horizontal. Be anxious to see how he pans out with WWE. I think he's going to be fine, honestly. I really do. I don't think there's going to be any issues like there was in AEW. I think there's a lot to led to his issues with AEW, and not all his fault, obviously. And we all know the stories. The Blade on the red. That's cool. Title Ambitions, Malachi Black. Tony Storm. That's a cool picture of her right there. And Taz. I like that Tony card. That's cool. Obviously not her timeless Tony Storm gimmick, but so I really hope Upper Deck gets on the ball and starts releasing these products in a timely fashion so they're not outdated. There's Chris Jericho, War Dog Wardlow, Jericho, Tony Nese on the orange slice die cut. There you go. Ice cream for CM Punk. That's pretty much why these cards were made, because him with the ice cream bar thing. If I had to guess, I mean, it makes sense. So that's cool. Mox, Ortiz, and Dustin Rhodes. All right. QT Marshall, who resigned from the company today. I'm recording this on Tuesday. Rick Knox, Luchasaurus. Christian renamed him Killswitch now. Statlander, Brody King Color Flow, That would be the red to orange. That's cool. Title fights, Jericho. Sting. And Satnam Singh. Forgive my voice. I feel great. My allergies are causing my voice to go away for hopefully not too long. All right, the Blade. Anthony Bowens. Kenny Omega. That's cool. Right for the PC. Serena Deeb, Color Flow. Oh, sweet. My Squad, the Elite. Kenny and the Bucks. So I'll knock out 2 PC cards there. Mark Quinn. I'm not sure what he's... I know he's injured, but I don't know what his injury was. Preston Vance. And Bryan Danielson. That was just a little card dust on that Vance. Okay. All right, 3 packs to go. I'd love to hit an Omega or a Jamie Hayter auto. Especially Jamie. I don't have any Jamie autos yet. And a couple of pop up on eBay are expensive. All right, Scorpio Sky. Keith Lee. Athena. That's going to get Jade Cargill. Stat. This will be the Black Rainbow. Oh, that's cool. Title Ambitions. Adam Cole, baby. 6 out of 100. That's cool. I do believe he's the devil. So honestly, I do. John Silver and Hangman Page. I think him and Britt Baker definitely have something to do with it. I'd actually be very surprised if it's not. Or at least those two and part of the group that keeps attacking everybody. All right, Brody King. Colton Gunn. Darby. Austin Gunn, Star Futures. That's the Black Rainbow. This one's cool. Stinger. The AEW logo Stinger. $37 out of $2.99. Good deal. Red Velvet. She just came back from injury. Cool Hand Ange. Angela Parker. And Austin Gunn. All right, last pack. Should be at least a color flow in here. We only got 2 color flows. Supposed to be 3 a box. All right. Ray Fenix. Wheeler Yuta. Absolute Ricky Starks. Tony Storm on the Black Rainbow. That's cool. Take that one. There we go. Color flow, MJF. Dante Martin on the Hyper. 50 out of 50. That's cool. Bookend. Rio and Hikaru Shida to finish off the box. All right. So, just a quick recap. A couple of reds. Britt Baker and the Blade. Color flow. MJF. Orange yellow. And then red and orange Deeb and red and orange Brody King. And then the inserts and numbered cards. Dante Martin out of 50. The White Diamond, I keep calling it Hyper, but White Diamond. Tony Storm, Black Rainbow, Stinger, the AEW logo out of 299. Austin Gunstar Future. Adam Cole, Purple Title Ambitions out of 100. Stat Black Rainbow, Jericho Title Fight. Ice Cream for Punk. Tony Nese, Orange Slice. Malachi Black Title Ambitions. And Anna Jay Title Ambitions. Alright guys, that's it for this one. So let me know what you think. Drop some comments, like, subscribe, and let me know if you picked any of this up and what you got. And I will talk to you later. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a good night, guys.